Good morning. I finally have figured out how to get your goal sheets uploaded to Canvas as a Google Doc, or a Google Sheet rather than an Excel document. So I want you to go in to your portfolio and get your most recent Legal Studies SMART Goals form that you submitted to me or shared with me last week. Now, if you have at the top of your sheet, if you have this extension, the period XLSX, that is still going to convert it to Microsoft Excel when it gets uploaded to Canvas. So what I want you to do is I want you to go into the document, go to File, Save as a Google Sheet, and now you'll see that it doesn't actually have that extension on, and Canvas will acknowledge that it is a Google Sheet and not an Excel document. From this point on, I want you to use that version because that will enable me to make comments through Canvas onto your document, and you'll be able to read them in your portfolio. Thank you.